Do you want to know how you can change your email address on your Upwork account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your email address on your Upwork account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and search for Upwork or go to upwork.com. Make sure that you are logged in. After that, what you need to do is click on your profile and account and click on account settings. You can see your email address is over here. To change your email address, go ahead and click on this pen icon and you can see email address. Go ahead and remove the email address and write down your new email address. Click update and you can see that if the email address is in use, you cannot use it again. So let's go ahead and keep this new email address. Click update and you can see that you have now updated your email address. So if you go back to Upwork and go back to your settings and go to account settings, you can see that you can change your email address this way. So guys, this is how you change your email address on your Upwork account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.